It's hard to believe it's already November. Just yesterday, we were hunkering down in our homes waiting for the boogeyman to pass. And a few days before that, we were making our first mask out of old t-shirts and hiding toilet paper from creeping marauders. But that's all behind us. It's now time to move on to Thanksgiving. Granted, we don't have much to be thankful for this year. Thanksgiving is the season for lies. It is the one thing liars can seem to agree on. It is the time that people don the biggest smile, greeting their families at the door, displaying how perfect their lives really are. Yes, the liars could be in your very family. Yes, it could be in your very home. Hell, the liar could be you. With Thanksgiving here, our victory shot is going to be wild turkey. Bring on the stuffing and gravy and the sweet potato pie. This year I've decided that I'm thankful for taste buds. That is why I'm going to mix the Aperol Gin and Tonic. Why don't you come and join me? Add ice to a brandy snifter. Add about 8 Juniper Berries. Juice from half a lime and from half a lemon. Two ounces of gin, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. One ounce of Aperol. Four to 5 ounces of tonic water. Give a gentle stir. And garnish with rosemary. I'm thankful for taste buds. And this is the Aperol Gin and Tonic. Today's word of wisdom is thank you. This is a phrase that changes depending on who said it, how they said it, and what they want. If someone says thank you for your help today, they probably mean it. But if someone says to you, oh, thank you, you probably should start questioning their sincerity and their motives. Personally, I believe the best thank yous are left unsaid. If someone is truly thankful, it shows in their actions. Many times, the additional 2 words just put you a step closer to being a liar. You have less shit this time. It was a big shit the first time and a little shit this time. Let's do it.
All right, and 3.